Beam Wallet is designed for speed and efficiency, but the time it takes to receive USDT isn't just about the wallet itself, it's also about the blockchain network you're using. Think of the blockchain as the road your transaction is traveling on. Just like a real road, some are super fast and have multiple lanes, while others might be a bit more congested. So, how long does it actually take? For USDT on the Tron network, or TRC20, you're looking at a very quick process. These transactions are often completed in under 5 minutes, sometimes even faster. Tron is known for its high throughput and low fees, making it a great choice for fast transfers. Now, if you're using USDT on the Ethereum network, or ERC20, the time can vary. A typical transaction might take anywhere from 5 to 20 minutes. However, if the Ethereum network is experiencing high traffic, that time could be longer. This is because there's more competition for space on the network, which can cause delays. The specific amount you paid in gas fees can also affect this. Higher fees can incentivize miners to prioritize your transaction, potentially speeding things up. Keep in mind that Beam Wallet is constantly working to provide a fast and secure experience, but the final confirmation time is always dependent on the underlying blockchain. The best way to track your specific transaction is to use the transaction ID and a blockchain explorer for the network you're using. That will give you real-time updates on its status.